my channel, and if you're new here, I am Deonna. I'm here with my best friend, iicis.
Hi.
I'm pretty sure if you guys have been following me for a while and you watched my SF video, yes, that was her.
That was so long ago.
I know.
I had mentioned to her at the time, I think.
Yeah, you did. So today we're gonna be making, how do we pronounce it?
Cantaritos, but we don't have the clay cups, so we're just gonna use the mason jars.
Yeah. So we're doing our own little twist, sort of, on it. So it would only be right for us to take a shot, right? Before we start.
Just to warm us up, to kill the nerves.
Yes.
Wow.
We're both nervous. I don't know why. I think because when we like do vlogs or something, it's more like.
Can we do the full rim? Yeah.
Should we?
Do it.
What do you guys think?
Let's just do it. We're not weenies.
I'm gonna look like shit. I'm kind of scared. Oh hell no.
It's low key. Oh snap! Like 2 shots in the mason jar.
But it's okay. We're living our best lives together. We're gonna drink together. And if I make an ugly face, do not judge me, because I am not good at that.
This is only positive vibes. Don't leave your negative comments. Just positive. A good time. Have a good time with us.
Right, exactly.
Okay.
So cheers to making drinks together. Oh my god. Okay, let's do this.
Okay.
I'm gonna just put some dramatic
A little
music.
What is it called? Essay something moment. Oh snap! It wasn't that bad, but
it wasn't. I think I was preparing for myself for it to be a little different.
Going down, I feel like it was fine, but it's that aftertaste. It was a little too much.
We don't usually drink this either, so this is like just for the drink. I still have
Yeah.
I'm just gonna hide this.
I do too, a little.
I tried to hide it a little. We're gonna go ahead and start off by squeezing lemons and orange in this jar. There's some ice already in there, so let's get started. We should have like had like
some music in the background.
Some music, but copyright.
Life.
Wait, I don't know how to do this. Oh,
you just squeeze it.
Wow.
I'm already burping the tequila. Oh my god.
I know, that shit was strong.
Dang, these lemons have like no.
I know. Okay, so we for sure can squeeze like this, right? Because these ones have like.
Yeah, why not? We can just.
Oh shit, that was a lot of juice. Like, I don't. Why do I feel hot?
I think when you're done, you can put it in there too. I'll get more of the flavor.
Okay. Whoa.
Okay.
There's the juice. There's the juice. Oh,
if only we had a mic to be like.
I know. Okay guys, so we're done squeezing our stuff. It actually took us a while, right?
Yeah. So definitely pre-do it.
Yeah, definitely. So we like sped it up. Now we're all done. There's like a good amount of juice. I'm not sure if you can see that, but that's a lot of like natural flavors happening.
Yeah.
I'm excited to actually try it. So I think what we're gonna do right now is pour our soda, right? Soda? Why did I say that?
Someone's already pissed.
I'm a lightweight, you guys.
Yeah.
She knows. But the thing about me, like, I'll keep going.
Yeah,
like,
you're a lightweight, but you know how to like.
Yeah, like I'm like, fuck it, take another shot, but yeah, I get drunk fast. So we're gonna go ahead and add our squirt. Cheers!
Should I add it at the same time?
Yeah, just to make it a little faster. Ooh, look at that, bubbly.
I'm so excited.
Me too. I'll pass you yours
Really
too, just
How many are we gonna put in?
I don't know, I feel like we should put a good amount, right? Because we have to put the alcohol. Like, we don't want just straight, like, we don't get turned, but not
totally just eyeballing everything. So,
yeah.
feel free to eyeball if you do this recipe too, because
Oh, it's kind of filling up. Like, do you
yeah, that's why I said like.
Okay, so
That's
maybe,
enough
you
for
know what,
alcohol.
yeah, you're right. We'll just save that
I
for
think that's good.
shots if we want to take more shots, because fuck it, or we don't have to, because it's just a factor of us taking a
We
shot.
can if you want.
But it might be, because we said it was our twist, maybe we can do a little bit of that, you know?
Okay.
Okay, so we're totally good on the soda. Do you want to add a splash of this?
Yeah. What is this?
It's simply orange with mango. I know you guys don't usually do that, but it's like our like a mango. This is like our little splash. Yeah, it's like a little flavor. So
Key.
probably just a little splash of that. Yeah, I think that's good. Now the fun part, iicis, since you're the guest on my channel, I'm gonna give you the honors to tell us how fucked up you wanna be.
Okay, so we just got a white tequila, and I feel like anything will be okay. But I mean, if you have your favorite, just go ahead and do that, girl. Or guy, whoever's watching this.
Whoever is learning this.
Now a little drum roll. Okay. Our boyfriends are gonna hate us.
Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and just roll it around. Why the fuck? How do I do this?
Honestly, I think that it's like skinny at the top.
Yeah.
It kind of fucks it. But you know what? You don't have to go out and buy materials. Just use what you have at home.
Yeah. And it's like, honestly, it's pretty reasonable. This whole like recipe. Like oranges aren't expensive. Lemon.
Might be
the alcohol is
at
probably,
home.
yeah, if you have some at home, you can just make it.
Yeah.
I think that's pretty mixed up, right?
Dude, that smells really strong.
I know, but I smell the oranges too. Like, it's like a nice little
Yeah.
hint of orange.
It'll be fine. Okay, we're big girls.
Oh, this is the cool part.
Okay, so
Gonna go ahead and rim our stuff. We probably, do you think we could just use, oh, you already have them. Okay, sorry.
yeah, should we just try that method that you said?
Yeah, if it fits. I think it's usually smaller.
We'll just, you know, we're just all learning.
We're just yellowing it. We're just like, whatever works.
Yes. You can also just have that juice and just dip it, but we're just figuring it out. Okay.
Yeah. So we're putting tahini on the rims of it because who doesn't love tahini?
Yeah.
Like, I love it. So it's gonna be a nice, like,
It kind of reminds me of like baby Lucas, like growing up.
Oh, yeah,
Yeah.
that's true. Oh, that one worked good.
Yeah, I think that's probably better than the dipping.
Yeah.
Oh, I love the way it smells.
Should I, like, pour mine and then I'll pour yours and
Yeah.
we'll cheer and let them know how it tastes?
Do you want to add more tahini to yours?
Oh, yeah, at the bottom, maybe.
I might add a little
Should
more.
I just grab a pinch? Because there's
Yeah.
so much instead of... Wait, you guys, if you hear a dog in the background, like, snoring, that's her dog.
He's a bulldog, you guys, so my bulldog lovers know, okay, we struggle with little breathing problems. He snores like a freaking grizzly bear.
Like he's been working like 5 jobs.
No, girl, he be acting like he works 5 jobs. Always freaking tired. Mine didn't come out as good, but it's okay. Maybe next time.
Oh my god. I think we could just add an orange just to like...
Oh my god, my hands are so dirty now.
Should we orange that we already sliced.
Yeah.
Just so it's like.
Probably be easier than flopping it in there. Oh my
I'm so excited. Like, definitely excited right now. We also got these little suckers just to like, I don't know, dip, let it float a little bit. Should we let it float or should we dip it?
I think I'm gonna dip mine.
Okay, so here's hers.
Okay.
Here's mine. I feel like I'm just gonna let mine like chill in there, and then I'll take it out if I want to eat it. With a swirly swirl.
Use it as a spoon.
Yeah. And then, did you want an orange too, Phil? I'm just gonna add a little oranges. We did. And then if you want a little orange.
Dang.
Ooh, we fancy, girl.
I wish we had those. Have you seen those? You know where they do like the crazy sandias and stuff, where they put like all those.
Oh yeah, like
candies?
different stuff. Yeah, next
This
time.
one too.
Next time.
For sure.
Cheers.
Okay, cheers. I don't know why.
Wait, the lip gloss got on me.
Okay. The surface, I don't know why. Okay. Okay, for real.
Okay, yeah.
1, 2, 3.
Okay guys, thank you so much for watching our video with me and my best friend. I'm super excited about this drink. It's like, I mean,
really good.
yeah, it's really good. She said we could probably add more
citrus in it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is my first time having it, so far so good.
Yeah.
And yeah, thank you so much for watching my channel. Me and my best friend are about to get turned. We still have to finish that. Cheers. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we have some more videos coming your way, right?
Stay
so
tuned.
yes, definitely stay tuned. And if you're drinking with us, again, cheers. Have a good one.
Bye.
Bye.